the kitchen, fragrance rising in the air. Wooden spoons and gentle whispers, moments captured everywhere. Slicing veggies on the counter, softly humming to the beat. Pots and pans in perfect harmony, cooking love in every seed. Whispering flames and tender smiles, every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. Boiling water, singing softly, stirring heartbeats blend with care. Recipes passed down through ages, love is hidden everywhere. Calm reflections in each bubble, memories in every bite. In this kitchen, peace is cooking, flavors blending in the night. In the silence, there's a rhythm, measuring love with each spoon. Culinary dreams awakened, dancing under the soft moon. Whispering flames and tender smiles, every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these seed, whispering flames and tender smiles, every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. In your arms I find peace, whisper soft like the breeze. Every touch a sweet release, time stands still with such ease. Eyes that draw me near, heartbeats calm every fear. Love so pure, so clear, in your song I hear. You are my oasis of love, my calm, my star above. Every note fits like a glove, relaxing tune of my heart, my dove. Every word we don't say is a promise that I'll stay. Quiet hums in the kitchen, fragrance rising in the air. Wooden spoons and gentle whispers, moments captured everywhere. Slicing veggies on the counter, softly humming to the beat. Pots and pans in perfect harmony, cooking love in every seat. Whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. Boiling water, singing softly, stirring heartbeats blend with care. Recipes passed down through ages, love is hidden everywhere. Calm reflections in each bubble, memories in every bite. In this kitchen, peace is cooking, flavors blending in the night. In the silence, there's a rhythm, measuring love with each spoon. Culinary dreams awakened, dancing under the soft moon. Whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these seed, whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. Every note fits like a glove, relaxing tune of my heart, my dove. Together we find our way.